Every second counts in the startup world, right? What if we told you you could turn every tick to your advantage? Enter the lean startup methodology, the game changer for entrepreneurs. In this fast paced world, it's learn fast or die slow. This methodology helps startups shorten their product development cycles. Step 1. Build. Create your minimum viable product, or MVP. It's not a half-baked idea, but a thoughtfully stripped down version of your product that delivers core value to early adopters. Step 2. Measure. This isn't about gut feelings or assumptions, but concrete data. Gather quantitative and qualitative feedback from your MVP's interaction with the market. Finally, learn. Data isn't just for spreadsheets, it's the building block of your next decision. Use it to learn, adapt, and pivot if necessary. Your startup's survival depends on agility and responsiveness. Repeating this loop of build, measure, learn helps reduce waste, increase value, and truly connect with your customers. So, ready to make every second count? Let's conquer the startup world, one lean step at a time.
Thanks for watching. Are you ready to crush your trading goals in the stock, Forex, and crypto markets with AI power? Visit KryptonTraders.com today and get a lifetime account for free.